Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fichanas bin Jamaluddin, and today I'll be doing a Unity tutorial video about basic Unity components, and I'll be explaining each and every one of them. Alright, for starters, before we begin, let me just
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier and welcome to Fortnite.
Sorry about that, my PC was acting up. Okay, let me explain each of these components. So we got the hierarchy, inspector, project window, overlay toolbar, scene view, game view, lastly status bar. We'll go with the hierarchy. Let me just Alright, so the hierarchy is in window displays a list of all the game objects in the current scene. Game objects are the basic units of everything in Unity scenes, such as characters, props, lights, cameras, etc. The hierarchy windows allows you to organize, select, and manipulate game objects. So let's give you an example. On the top left corner is the hierarchy. It's where you put all of your objects, wallpaper, sounds, NPCs, guns. But for now, what you're looking at here is my old work of making a 2D game. So this is the main menu. This is the hierarchy. So you got the main camera, you got the UI canvas and pause UI, and like there's a parents and children under them, and another start quit image, so you can organize and not being too messy and everything. So that is hierarchy. Now the next thing is the inspector. The inspector is on the right here. Let me just do something. So inspector is where you detail information and properties of the currently selected game object or asset. It allows you to modify various attributes like position, rotation, scale, materials, script attached, and more. Like let's say the image right here, the background, the title. I can just change the name here and everything. The image I can turn into white or something. I don't want to mess around and I don't want to ruin my game. Moving on, we're gonna go for project window. So project window is where you manage your project assets such as textures, models, scripts, scenes, etc. It provides a hierarchical view of all assets in your project, allowing you to import, organize, and manipulate them. So basically, this is all your file. Don't look, go away. This is where you put all of your files into the game. From here, you drag them here. So make sure to organize or you're gonna mess it up. So we got the art's pathfinding project, audio, character health, nav mesh, scenes, and everything that you want to put in your game. So that is project window. Now next is overlays. So basically what overlays are typically used to display additional information or UI elements on top of the game view. You can create overlays using Unity's UI system, which includes canvas, text, images, buttons, and etc. So what I mean by this is these are the overlays. Like if you see currently right now, this is how I edit them, but when I go into my game, this is what the player would see. So if I start the game now and basically I'm moving up and down, it's the overlay and the text behind it. I can start the game and you can see there's a health bar. That is overlay. And if I just go on the right here, let's find an enemy and get hit. As you can see, when I die, it shows an overlay of you died and restart main menu and quit. So I can restart and do that all over again. So that is overlay. Now next is toolbar. Toolbar in Unity typically refers to the top bar in the Unity's editor interface right here. We got the scene, animator, and this is where I make a bunch of animation on this game. And game. You can drag the inspector here, or you can just drag all of them here if you want. It depends on your comfiness of your UI setting. It really prefers on how you handle things. But for me, I like it like this. It's a lot easier. Next is the scene view. Scene view is the main working area in Unity where you visually compose your scenes. It provides a 3D or 2D representation of the scene being edited, allowing you to place and manipulate game objects, adjust lighting, set up cameras, and design the layout of your game world. So what I mean by this, let me just go to scenes and main level. Alright, here it is. Okay, so this is my scene view of the entire layout of the game. So this is where the player starts, and you can see he has to go all the way down to here to win the game. And yeah, this is scene view for 2D, which is easy. You can turn to 3D if you want, but this is 2D obviously. So there's a bunch of stuff here that you can go. You can spin the character, move the character, see? Yeah, move them and everything. Next is game view. The game view displays what the camera sees during gameplay. It allows you to preview how your game will look and behave when played. This view is essential for testing and debugging a game. So if I want to test the game, here it is. Okay, so this is not the view. This is only editing. It's the camera. As you can see, I put this white little square is where the camera is, which is the main camera. The CM VCam, which I downloaded in the components, the Windows and package manager, asset store. So that is where you get the camera. Since I only locked there, you go here, and there you go. This is what the player would see, and this is what I'll see when I'm editing. Obviously, I don't want the player to see like this. It will be boring and ruining the vibe and everything. So yeah, this is the game view. Lastly, the status bar. In Unity, the status bar is a small area at the bottom of the editor window. It displays information about ongoing tasks like script, cog, compilation, asset importing, or build progress. It's useful for monitoring what's happening in the Unity's editor at a glance. I can show you. Look at this. Freaking 999 plus of errors. Alright, let me just stop. Boom. I got a lot of errors in my game. I don't know how to fix them. Alright, so it'll explain where the problem is and tells you where exactly is the problem at the coding area. Thank you very much. I hope this video helps you in your journey with Unity, and wish you the best of luck. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.
Hello, everybody. My name is Markiplier, and welcome to Fortnite.